December 6, 2024, Google announced that it had developed a new chip called Google Quantum AI's Willow chip. This groundbreaking quantum computing chip promised to revolutionize the tech world with its ability to perform computations at unprecedented speeds while significantly reducing errors.
Ho, ho, ho! In Roblox, developers and players faced daily challenges. Lag, server crashes, and resource inefficiencies were just a few of the issues that dampened the gaming experience. So the question of the day is, with this new chip now available, will things in Roblox improve exponentially very soon? Will quantum capabilities handle complex computations for game physics, AI behaviors, and real-time data processing with unmatched precision? Would this result in smoother gameplay, instantaneous responses, and a more immersive experience for millions of players? Imagine a scenario where server crashes are a thing of the past. The Willow chip could efficiently manage server loads and dynamically allocate resources, ensuring that even the most resource-intensive games run seamlessly, lag-free.
What are your thoughts? Will quantum computing be the next big thing after